If you guys are new, leave a like or subscribe. So before I start this video, first of all, before like I do my face reveal, which is not today, it will be in 4 days because that's when my microphone's coming in 4 days. Just disclaimer, please don't hate because I'm really ugly. But yeah, and today is our like celebration for like our first subscriber. Thanks, thank you, and you guys don't even have to like subscribe. I would just like if you guys actually do watch this video, comment, because I barely get any comments. Like, I know I could just check the views, but like I just want people to comment more.